Hey guys, if your Discord screen is either freezing with a black or gray screen, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly solve the issue. So let's jump straight into it, and the first thing you want to do is close down any instances that you have of Discord running. We can do this by coming to the start bar and searching for Task Manager. You can also get to this menu by pressing Ctrl-Alt-Delete on your keyboard, and in the search box up here, you want to search for Discord. We then just want to right click on any processes related to Discord and select End Task. Next, you want to come back to the Start menu, and this time we're going to search for Run. Inside of this search box, you want to search for %shine app data %shine and hit Enter. Now, you want to look for the Discord folder, and then we can right click it and select the trash icon to delete it. Then you want to come up one folder by pressing App Data up here, inside of Local, and once again, we want to find Discord, and right click it and select the trash icon to delete it. Once we've deleted these two folders, we then want to come back to the Start menu and search for CMD. You want to right click on Command Prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of this black window, you want to type in ipconfig /flush DNS and then hit Enter. Exit out of this window, and finally you want to come to a web browser and you want to type in discord.com. Then we just select Download for Windows. Then reinstall Discord onto your computer by opening the downloaded file, and you may need to log in again to your account. And then once we've done that, your issue will now be fixed. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe for more videos like this one.